Kiki got ready for a ballet lesson. Fashion. Ballet slippers and a big little tutu. I just love that part. I love it. Her ballet lessons were like 1 minute long, so she got really tired. Poor puppy. She fell asleep with all of her equipment on. I think she fell asleep. She fell asleep. Wow. Well, we'll see you when come back on. From Kiki the Ballet Dancer. Bye, folks.